Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to apply inline internal and external CSS in HTML program. Inline CSS, first line by default. You can see this is simple example of HTML. We written here P tag and B tag. In P, this is without inline CSS example. Without applying inline. Without applying inline CSS example. And next in B, welcome to the codecraft. Now I am going to save this program as program 2 and going to run. See, simple output is there. This is without applying inline CSS example and welcome to codecraft tutorial. Now I am going to apply inline CSS in this P tag and B tag. When we use the inline CSS, when you want to change only single line of code, at that time you can use the inline CSS. For that you can use the style tag. Style tag. We want to color change to the red and font size 30 pt. It will be applied only for this single line. Now I am going to change the sentence. This is example of applying inline CSS, right? Then P tag is completed. Now I am going to apply another line B, style. Here we change the font size 30 to 50 and color red to blue. It will be applied only for this line. In this is declaration block. In declaration block we declare color red, font size 30 pt, and P tag is selector. This is selector and this is declaration block. And we apply this CSS only for the single line because this is inline CSS. Now I am going to show you the output of this code. See, I hope everyone understand. Now second example, internal CSS. This is an example of before applying internal CSS. Now we will see the output. This is internal CSS example. Simply it will be print. Now we will see after applying the internal CSS. You can see this is a H1 heading, highest one heading H1. I want to change the internal CSS example heading. The border style is dotted. For that we apply the internal CSS like this H1 because we want to change this element. border style dotted, this is declaration block. Another we take the block selector and declaration like body. I want to change the background color to sky blue. In declaration we declare the background color sky blue. This is internal CSS. Now I am going to show you the output of this code. See, this is dotted line, apply on it. If we skip this portion or delete this and save this program, the output will be like this. See, this is a difference. External style sheet, we use the link tag in head section. Then rel is equal to style sheet, type text /css and href style.css. After that, head section is completed. Body tag is open. In body open and close tag, we return here h1 tag and p tag. h1 is external CSS example and p tag paragraph is external CSS applying in p element, that is the paragraph element. Now you can create here new file. Go to file, click on the new, save these changes, yes, save, and save as this file and save as this text to all file. I already create this file. I am going to show you. This is style. Okay. Here we take the h1, changing color and text align center for heading 1 and paragraph P. Paragraph line height is 1.6. Now you can see the output of this code. See, external CSS example, center and external CSS applying in P element. H1 color blue and text align center and paragraph line height 1.6 and our result like this. I hope you understand the difference between internal, inline and external CSS. External CSS is applied on multiple pages. Inline CSS you can apply only a single elements and internal CSS you can apply whole page. Thank you friends. In next video we will learn more HTML program.